Oh boy, we got another set of Jordan 1 lows in the OG cut. Will they sit and be well below their retail number like all of the rest of them that have been released in the last, I don't know, year or so? I don't know, but people tend to go nuts over the Obsidian or your North Carolina blue. When those two are mixed, people go nuts over them. This is summertime. It's an OG cut. Let's see what they do, man. You already know it. Let's get to it. So yeah, man, we got these joints, man. It come in the box like it normally does, bruh. All fancy with the blue and the Obsidian color. So the size 13 is big as hell. I normally get a 12 and a half, but I got a 13 this time. We'll see what it do. The colorway officially is Obsidian, University Blue, and Sail. So nice box as usual, but people like me, I just really don't give a damn about the box unless it's something special. So here we go, man. This is what that joint looks like. Now, is it any different than any of the other Jordan 1 lows that have been released? Again, like I said, within the last year or so, year and a half or so. We got the black toes, we got the mochas. Of course, we got a plethora of Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows in the OG cut. So what makes this different than the rest of those? I'm gonna be honest with you, not a damn thing. It's a clean shoe. It's a Jordan 1 low in the OG cut. So we got the Wings logo on the heel tab versus here lower on the heel. We got the sail color going on the midsole, on the midsole. So is it worth spending 150 bucks on this shoe when more than likely, matter of fact, let's look it up right now. Let's go to GOAT here. All right. Yeah, no. At or below retail for these joints. This is nothing new, but we ain't here about all the smoke here on the set, bro. We here to see if this shoe is actually worth you spending your hard-earned coin on a pair of shoes that you can wait and get them joints at the outlet for a lower cost. So with that being said, you get the North Carolina blue or the University blue, whichever one they want to call it, and you got the Obsidian on the toe. I really dig the shoe, honestly, just because of those colors. And like most people with the North Carolina blue, the Obsidian, it's a go because it's an easy wear, right? And we have so much North Carolina blue stuff and Obsidian. Yeah, and it's summertime here in Florida already. It's damn 90 degrees and it's hot already. So it's gonna be an easy wear, man. Nothing special about it, honestly, bro. Like, if you've had one pair of Jordan 1 lows in the OG cut, you've had them all. They're all the same. It's just the material choices, and I can honestly say that the material choices on these is actually pretty nice. We got some almost tumbled leather here on the Obsidian part, and for the toe box, that leather here on the toe box is super squishy. So I am good with that. So the material choices on these, I would give probably about an A, not an A plus, because it could have been softer here on the quarter panels here on the medial and lateral side. But I do think that this is going to be an easy wear. What else we get in the box? We get an extra set of laces in these joints, man. Obviously we got the white laces. Well, these are probably more sail color. Yeah, these are like a sail color lace. I wouldn't go all the way to say that they're white, but obviously we come in the recycle box here, like they've been doing with the Move to Zero initiative there at Nike. Yeah, man, I don't know. Whoa. Wait a minute. Wait one freaking minute. Quality control issue number one. The leather on the quarter panel of this shoe, on the left shoe, is substantially tumbled way more than the leather on this right one here. Yeah, these look like two totally different shoes. I'm gonna get some other video of this so I can show it to you, and you probably won't be able to see it here, but I can tell you by looking at this shoe, yeah, no. There's no way. It actually feels different too. This is probably the worst quality control issue I've had with a pair of sneakers in a long time. And Nike is full of quality control issues. We got some glue stains here on the back. I'm gonna have to get a closer video. I mean, I don't know if we can rub that off. I can probably get it off, but it's one of those things where you spend money on stuff, man, these days when everything is so tight with the economy being so trash. And then we got that guy doing all kind of shit. We got Elon taking people's jobs. And yes, they tried to make me come back to work too in the office. And I said, deuces. I wish they would have offered me a buy. Never mind. Back to the shoe. Yeah, man. These are going back. It's not worth me keeping with that kind of quality control issue of these shoes, man. Yeah, that's not it. Definitely not it. Oh man. Yeah, that kind of hurts a little bit. But I paid retail for these, so I ain't tore up about it. They gonna get returned, and it's gonna be one of those things where I keep my eye out on the 8 or 9 Nike freaking factory or outlet stores here in Orlando area, and I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get these for a lower price plus the military discount. Yeah, not too tore up about it, but bruh, it's hard to recommend the shoe when you open them and then real time you see a glaring issue like that. Yeah, this looks like two totally different shoes, man. Yeah, I'ma quit ragging on it, bro. Colorway is nice. It's a good ad for the collection, but if you're able to go into a store that may have these. I picked these up locally at the Hibbett's. They had them in stock. So if you do want this pair of shoes, you might want to go into the store, check them out yourselves to make sure that you don't get any quality control issues like I have on these. Bro, that looks terrible. That look like an elephant ass compared to a smooth baby bottom. This, yeah, no. At any rate, please hit that like and subscribe button, man. Comment down below on whether you think that these are a dope or a nope, or whether you're just gonna wait. Like when I return these, I'm waiting. I'm gonna wait. It ain't that serious. It's not one of these pair of shoes that I just absolutely gotta have. But if I catch them at the outlet, it's a wrap. So again, hit that like and subscribe button, man. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of this shoe, the Jordan 1 Low and the OG variant of the Obsidian and University Blue. Damn, I'm upset. No, I'm not. I'm not upset because, yeah, it is what it is, bro. Hey, man, hit that notification bell too, bro, so you will be the first to know when we drop more content here on the set where we talk about sneakers, electronics, and the occasional toy or two. Well, hell, I'm unemployed now, so we got time. We gonna get into some Lego stuff, and Nike and Lego, and the Switch 2 is coming out, and it's other, bro, we about to get into it. Yeah, I'm unemployed, so I need you to hit that like button and comment down below so YouTube can give me $2 or something so we can make this thing work. But on another note, man, I'm gonna get on out of here and try to go find something important to do with the rest of my life, as you should as well. I bid you folks adieu. Peace.